Fellow citizens, the very foundation of our republic rests upon an engaged and vigilant citizenry. As Thomas Jefferson himself warned, eternal vigilance is the price of liberty. Today, we gather to speak of an essential aspect of our local liberty, the judiciary. This presentation outlines a critical opportunity for a dedicated legal professional in Montcalm and Ionia counties to step forward and serve. We are initiating a focused recruitment effort to identify such an individual. The November 2026 election approaches, and with it, a chance to strengthen the democratic process within our judicial system. Consider the words of Jefferson. When the people fear the government, there is tyranny. When the government fears the people, there is liberty. An unopposed office, particularly one of such significant authority as a circuit court judge, can, over time, foster an environment where accountability is perceived as secondary to incumbency. For nearly 2 decades, the citizens of Montcalm and Ionia counties have been presented with a singular option for this judicial seat. While the incumbent may perform their duties diligently, the very lack of a contest denies the public a fundamental right, the right to choose, to weigh alternatives, and to hold power accountable through the electoral process. This situation, while perhaps unintentional, creates a vacuum where the natural, healthy tension of a competitive election is absent. It's not merely about changing personnel, but about re-energizing the democratic mechanism itself. Jefferson believed deeply in the capacity of the people to govern themselves, asserting that the government closest to the people serves the people best. Yet, for that to be true, the people must have the tools to exercise their judgment. A judicial election, when truly contested, provides just such a tool. A healthy democracy requires that all branches of government, including the judiciary, periodically face the scrutiny of the electorate. An election provides a formal public forum for examining judicial philosophy, temperament, and performance. It allows for a vital dialogue between the bench and the citizenry it serves. This is an opportunity to ensure that the unique character and concerns of Montcalm and Ionia counties are reflected not just in the laws, but in their application and interpretation from the bench. While statutory qualifications are essential, the ideal candidate embodies more. Jefferson envisioned leaders who possessed integrity, talents, and habits of industry. For a judge, this translates to more than just legal acumen. It demands an unwavering commitment to justice, tempered by wisdom and a deep understanding of human affairs. This is not merely an open position. It is a call for a legal leader to embrace civic responsibility in a profound way. We are seeking someone willing to undertake the demanding, yet noble, endeavor of presenting themselves to the public for such a vital office. The person we seek will understand that the judiciary is not merely a profession, but a sacred trust. They will serve as an impartial arbiter, upholding the law while always remembering their duty to the citizens of our circuit. The machinery of democracy, though complex, is designed to ensure a fair contest. Jefferson, a meticulous record keeper and legal scholar, understood that even the highest ideals require adherence to practical procedures. These requirements are the gatekeepers of our electoral system. Prospective candidates must complete these steps precisely. The nominating petitions are particularly crucial as they demonstrate genuine community support. We encourage those interested to begin preparing these materials well in advance. All required forms and detailed instructions can be obtained directly from the Michigan Bureau of Elections or the county clerk's offices in Montcalm and Ionia counties. Accuracy and timeliness in filing are paramount. A true election is a peaceful revolution, as Jefferson might have termed it, a means by which the people may reclaim their power. An incumbent, however long-serving, is not beyond the reach of an informed and determined electorate. Their very insulation can become their vulnerability. A new voice, a fresh perspective, can resonate powerfully with voters who may feel unheard. This campaign is about offering that voice, that fresh perspective, and giving the citizens a clear choice. It demands a vigorous yet principled contest of ideas and qualifications. While challenging, the campaign must always uphold the highest ethical standards. The integrity of the judiciary is paramount, and a candidate's conduct must reflect the decorum and impartiality expected of the office. As citizens of this republic, we are not merely subjects but participants. Jefferson proclaimed, "I know of no safe depository of the ultimate powers of society but the people themselves." This moment demands that we act upon that belief, ensuring that our local governance, especially our courts, is vibrant and truly representative. Your decision to step forward could redefine judicial accountability in Montcalm and Ionia counties for years to come. It is a profound act of civic courage and an investment in the democratic health of our community. We urge any qualified individual who feels this call to duty to reach out. Let us work together to ensure the citizens of the 8th Circuit Court have the robust electoral choice they deserve.